What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a great day. When I first started by thanking all you guys for watching my channel. If it's your first time watching my videos, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button for me. Alright guys, yes, I'm wearing a jacket. It's cold in the garage. It's like 30 degrees outside. And some kind of Arctic blast coming down here towards Houston. There's a nasty accident in Dallas yesterday where it was like 100 and some car pileup. Really dangerous out there. Hasn't frozen the roads here yet, so I'm actually about to head out to the exhaust shop to get the exhaust done before all this craziness happens down here. So last night I tried to kind of weld in the muffler and the exhaust myself, but I just don't have the right bends in the old exhaust to get the new one on there. So I ended up going with some Black Widow exhaust, and no particular reason why. I've heard the good things about this, and I wanted to try out their muffler. This is their 250 series. They do have other mufflers that are louder than these. These are kind of tame compared to what they have. They have some race mufflers. They have some pretty funny names. If you check out their website, I think they're pretty known for like their neighbor hater mufflers and something else. I don't know, wife haters. I don't know what it is. It's crazy exhaust. But anyway, this is a little bit more on the tame side. I went with these nice tips here because I know the Bassani tips are actually they're kind of rusting up on the top. And I don't really like the way they look. They're kind of small. So I'm going to go with these. These are really going to give it that look. Look at that. That is going to be cool. I kind of want it like tucked in a way too. I don't want them sticking out. I really want them like just right there. But I may be taking this to the exhaust shop. Who knows? I'm going to try and see if I can do it myself. Get this off of here. Oh gosh, this thing's heavy. It's gonna be real close. I was kind of hoping to just cut these right here and just weld it straight to here so I can bolt this back up to the old flange there on top. And the flange for the old Bassani muffler just didn't line up. The pipes didn't line up correctly on the new muffler. So there was just no way that was gonna work. So right now I'm going to see about cutting this off and welding this to the muffler. So let's go ahead and cut this off. Let me get my cutter. I have my cordless cutter here. Put a blade on here. This blade seems like, let's go with this blade here. Hopefully this blade will just cut it off like butter. Hopefully this doesn't give me problems. Like butter. Beast. That sucks, man. It really does suck. So it was kind of a good attempt, but it's not going to work. I didn't want to hack it up in there. So I went ahead and just re-welded back the old muffler in there. Because I was gonna roll around with no muffler, but man, that is super loud. So I decided to kind of weld in the old muffler back in there and tacked it in just in place. So I can at least ride to the shop and have them go ahead and put the new muffler on there. I'm gonna go ahead and have them see if they can weld in some V-band on the exhaust. So that way, whenever I go to exchange my muffler, if I ever want to later on, or get something different, I can always just easily change out the muffler with V-bands. I'm also going to put these nice tips in here. These tips are going to look sick. I do have the old tips here, and I'm going to keeping the old muffler. So maybe if somebody wants it, I can just, if you guys are in the Houston area, you want some Bassani mufflers for your light lean, hit me up. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get loaded up and head out that way. We're pulling into the performance shop here. It's Asus. They also have a dyno here, so we can see what they got going on. Guys, got the truck up on the rack. We're about to put the muffler on. He's gonna go check to see if he's got any V-bands so we can go ahead and get rid of this old Bassani flange style and go with the V-band with the new muffler and the tips. So if he doesn't, either way, we're gonna get rid of this style flange, go with the new setup. V-bands right here. And these I can just move around, right? The V-band stuff?
What's that?
The V-bands I can just move around?
No, you should be good.
But I mean, if I loosen them up, I can just move them around?
Yeah, if you loosen them up, you can move it around. Same thing with this one. Do you want me to turn that one more, or?
No, that's good. I'll mess with it later on. Not a big deal.
It's not a problem. Just,
yeah.
I'll show you how easy it is. So basically, they're an 11.
Okay.
All you do is just loosen it up.
And you just slide it over?
Yeah, and just slide it over. So if you do it with its code, you should have no problem.
You just slide it around.
And then the same 11, tighten it back up.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier. Cool, man.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I want to buy a white one or a red one.
Outlaw has a 454 SS.
Yeah.
With 7,000 miles on it.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that sounds a lot better.
Sounds like a second gen now.
Huh?
Sounds like a second gen now.
I know, right? Oh, yeah.
I might have to go on.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Man, I'm so glad I went with the exhaust. It sounds so much better now. The Bassani one sounded great for what it was, but it was just too tame for me. And this Black Widow exhaust that I went with, the Venom 250Rs, man, they're so much better than the Bassani exhaust. I do have the original Bassani muffler and the pipe down here, or the tips. If someone is interested or wants them, hit me up, message me. Also follow me on Instagram, Trailblazers Films 1. Message me there if you want to know a little bit more about the stock exhaust. If you want to take it off my hands, hit me up. I'll basically give it away for free almost. Not for free. I'll sell it to you for cheap, super cheap, if you guys want it. But I definitely recommend you guys upgrading to this Black Widow 250R. Man, it sounds great. And the tips, man, the tips are just the icing on the cake. He did recommend he wanted to paint the tailpipe here black to kind of match the truck and just stop it there at the tips, but I told him don't worry about it. I'm eventually going to wrap that in some kind of a heat wrap like this here. This is gold heat wrap, but I'm gonna buy black. I'm gonna wrap the pipe all the way from the end of the tips all the way back to the headers. That way it gives it a nice clean look, and
It also keeps the heat down. That stuff works really, really great. I've used it on my 3-wheeler over here on my Honda 250R, and it definitely keeps the heat down tremendously. I wrapped that in some of that gold wrap there, and man, that stuff works really, really good, and it's clean. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Please like, please subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.